Seated throne. Because this posture does not require a back bend, people often feel more safe and comfortable being suspended in a seated position. Lie down onto your back.
Have your partner stand with a wide stance at your head.
Guide them to sit onto your feet as you bend your knees toward your chest. With your feet on their sit bones and your hands on their feet, press straight up to the balance point as you support your partner into an elevated seated pose. Line up your ankles with your hips, looking for that sweet spot straight up and down, keeping your hands on their feet to stabilize. For this technique to be effortless, your partner must be seated upright and aligned with their spine. There is a tendency for them to round their lower back while looking down and leaning too far forward. Have them sit up straight, aligning their spine as an extension of your legs. Stabilizing the sacrum and anchoring the spine. Keep your legs and sacrum completely anchored into the ground. When they finally stabilize in the vertical position, you may transfer all of their weight onto your feet and release your hands, allowing their feet to hang freely. Have them sit in meditation for a few moments as they get comfortable. To explore new levels of this posture, try bending your knees. Stabilize their body with your hands on their feet. Shake up and down and alternate bent knees to gently soften and shake out the spine. Bend your knees up and down as you keep your ankles aligned with your hips, sometimes pushing forward, sometimes pulling backward. Remember to breathe. To avoid losing energy, try not to sway away from the balance point for too long. Continue to experiment with different shapes of the body as you become more familiar with this technique. To bring them down, place your hands on their feet. Bend your elbows as you gently lower them down to the ground. Slightly bend your knees and lift your hips to push them up to standing.